Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important questions on the topic problems on ages. So let's start. See, in the first question, what is given? Sum of ages of a man and his son is 45 years, and 5 years ago, the product of ages was 34 years. So we have to find the man's age. So we will assume the ages let man's and son's age, man's and son's age, present age we will assume, present age be x years, so x, and as the sum of the ages is 45, so son's age will be 45 minus x years respectively. Okay. Now 5 years ago. So what is given? 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 34. So 5 years ago, age of man will be x minus 5 and age of son will be 45 minus x minus 5 and the product is 34. Okay. So we have to solve this x minus 5 and 45 minus 5, that is 40 minus x equal to 34. So after multiplication we will get 40x minus x square minus 200 plus 5x, and this will be equal to 34. So we will get a quadratic equation in x. So it will be x square minus 45x plus 234 equal to 0. So we have to find x, or we can find the factors of this equation, then we can find the x. So we will get factors as x minus 39 into x minus 6, x minus 39 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So we will get values of x as 39 or x equal to 6. Now consider the case when x equal to 39. So when x is 39, man's age is 39 years and son's age will be 45 minus 39, that is 6 years. Okay. And when x is 6 years, so man's age is 6 years and son's age will be 45 minus x, that is 39 years, which is not possible because man's age will be more than his son. So we will ignore x equal to 6. Therefore, man's age man's age equal to 39 years. So our answer will be option number E, none of these. Okay. We will discuss next problem. See, in the next problem, what is given? The ratio of ages of a man and his wife is given as 4:3. 4 years from now, this ratio will become 9:7. And it is also given that ratio of their ages at the time of marriage was 5:3. So we have to find how many years ago they got married. So how we can solve this? So we will assume the percentage is based on the ratio 4:3. Let man's and his wife's man's and wife's present age be 4x and 3x years respectively, and 3x years respectively. Okay. So 4 years from now means after 4 years the ratio will be 9:7. So man's percentage is 4x. So 4x plus 4 divided by wife's age will become 3x plus 4, and this will be equal to 9/7. So from this we can solve and find the value of x. So 28x plus 28 equal to 27x plus 36. So from this we will get x equal to 8. So man's age, man's age, that is present age, equal to 4x, and 4 into 8, that is 32 years. And wife's age will be, wife's age equal to 3x, so 3 into 8, that is 24 years. This is the present age. And at the time of marriage, ratio of ages was 5:3. So we will assume late they got married y years ago. Y years ago. Therefore, as the present age of man is 32, so 32 minus y divided by present age of y is 24, so 24 minus y, it will be 5 by 3. So after solving this, we will get the value of y. So we will cross multiply. So it will become 96 minus 3y equal to 120 minus 5y. So we will get 2y equal to 24 or y equal to 12. Okay. And what is y? It is the number of years, that is how many years they ago they got married. So our answer will be option number C. Okay. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem, what is given? Tanya's grandfather was 8 times older to her 16 years ago, and after 8 years, okay, he would be 3 times of her age 8 years from now. Means from present 8 years hence, he will become 3 times of her age. So we have to find 8 years ago what was the ratio of Tanya's and grandfather's age. So we will assume the age of Tanya's and grandfather. Let 16 years ago Tanya's we will denote by T. Tanya's age be X years, and grandfather's we will denote by capital G. So grandfather's age will be 8 times, so 8x years. 8x years. Okay. Now it is given 8 years from now. So 8 years from present. Okay. So 8 years hence. Okay. It was given age of grandfather, means grandfather will become 3 times of Tanya's age. So what will be the age of grandfather after 8 years? See, 16 years ago his age was 8x. So present age will be 8x plus 16, and 8 years hence, so plus 8, it will be his age, and it should be equal to 3 times of Tanya's age. And Tanya's age 16 years ago was x, so present age x plus 16, and after 8 years it will become plus 8. So from this we can find the value of x. So 8x plus 24 equal to 3x plus 24 into 3, that is 72. Okay, so we will get 5x equal to 48, and from this we will get x equal to 48 by 5. Now we have to find the ratio of Tanya's age to that of her grandfather age 8 years ago. So 8 years ago, ratio of Tanya's age by grandfather age. So 16 years ago her age was x years. So x, so 8 years ago it should be x plus 8. Okay, and grandfather's age 16 years ago was 8x. So 8 years ago we should add 8 years to this. So 8x plus 8. So this will be the required ratio. Now x, we have found the value of x as 48 by 5. So 48 by 5 plus 8 divided by 8 into 48 by 5 plus 8. So we will get the ratio as 11 by 53. Okay. So as the ratio is not given, so we will get answer as option number D. None of this. Okay. Now we will discuss next problem. See, in this problem, what is given? X is 3 years ago was 3 times the present age of Y. Okay. And at present, Z is twice the age of Y. Also, it is given Z is 12 years younger than X. And what is the present age of Z? So, as X and Z age is related to Y, so we will assume Y's present age. Let present age of Y is of Y be n years. Okay. So, age of X 3 years ago, it was 3 times the present age of Y, so it will become 3n years. So present age of X will be present age of X, it will be equal to 3n plus 3, because 3n what? 3 years ago is years. Now it is also given Z's present age is twice the age of Y. Present age of Z of Z equal to twice of n years. Okay, and also it is given Z is 12 years younger than X. So present age of X minus present age of Z, it will be equal to 12. Therefore present age of X is 3n plus 3 minus present age of Z, that is 2n, equal to 12. So we will get n equal to 12 minus 3, that is 9. And we have to find the present age of Z. So present age of Z will be equal to 2n years. So 2 into 9 years, that is 18 years. So our answer will be option number D. We will discuss another problem. See, in this problem, what is given? 4 years ago, ratio of half of age, okay, to that of 4 times B's age equal to 5 by 12. And 8 years hence means 8 years from now, half of age will be less than B's age by 2 years. So we have to find B's present age. So we will assume let 4 years ago ages of A and B be A and B years respectively. This is 4 years ago is respectively. Okay, and it is given that half of age of A means half of A divided by 4 times of B's age means 4B, and this ratio will be 5 by 12. So from this we will get A by B equal to 5 by 12 into 8. So it will be equal to 3 2. So A by B equal to 10 by 3. So we will assume let A equal to 10x and B equal to 3x. Okay. Now it is given 8 years from now. Okay. 8 years from now, half of age of A will be less than B's age by 2 years. Therefore, 4 years, sorry, 8 years from now, 8 years hence. So we will talk about this. See, what will be age of B 8 years hence? See, 4 years ago, age of B was 3x. So 3x plus 4, this is present age of B, and 8 years hence, so we have to add 8 minus half of age of A, 8 years hence. So 4 years ago it was 10x. So present age will be 10x plus 4, and after 8 years plus 4 plus 8. Okay, and this difference is given as 2. So from this we will get, see, 3x plus 12 minus 10x by 2 means 5x plus 4 plus 8 12. So minus 1 by 2, so minus 6, it will be equal to 2, and from this we will get 3x minus 5x, that is 2x, equal to 12 minus 6 6, and 6 minus 2 4. So we will get x equal to 2, and what we have to find, B is presented. So B is present is, see, present age of B will be 3x, as 3x was his age 4 years ago. So we have to add 4 to this. So 3 into 2 plus 4, that is 10 years. So our answer will be option number A. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed some important questions on the topic problems on ages. Okay. Thank you.